Hello, welcome back to another video. Today is a tutorial video. Okay, as you can see by the title, I want to make this particular video specifically for people who are importing from Nigeria to Ghana. Okay, specifically because I'm one of the importers. I do import my goods from Nigeria to Ghana, and this is very important for me as a small business owner, as a small importer. Okay, yes, so mostly we find goods that are labeled in Naira, okay, from our suppliers in Nigeria, and of course we want to know how much that costs in Ghana Cedis. It's very important for you to know how to convert your Naira into Ghana Cedis, okay, and also how to be able to buy your goods from Nigeria to Ghana. Okay, so there are three ways in which you'll be able to buy your goods from Nigeria to Ghana using the Naira. Okay, so basically if you are somebody who goes to Nigeria yourself, you can as well change your money into dollars. That is one way. You can change your Ghana Cedis into dollars, and then when you get there, you change the dollars to Naira. That way it will be easy for you to be able to buy goods and know the amount that you use in buying those goods. Since you have dollars with you, it's very easy that you are able to change it in Naira. Okay, you change your dollars into Naira when you get to Nigeria. Okay, there are some people too, they don't actually go to Nigeria themselves. Just like myself, I do everything online. We do the online buying and online selling, so I don't physically go to Nigeria to buy the goods, so everything is online. Another step in which you can convert your money is when you are going to Nigeria and you get to the Togo border, you are actually going to change your cedis into Naira at the Togo border, and I learned the rate is actually nice when you get to Togo border and you are changing your cedis into Naira. Okay, and that is also very good. But the most important thing and the reason for making this video is how to actually change Ghana Cedis into Naira, okay, or change Naira into Ghana Cedis, okay, especially if you are buying goods online, of course. So you will see a particular product in Naira from a platform that you are buying your goods from, something like this. I'm going to put a screenshot here of how the suppliers always tag the products in Naira. Okay, let's say a particular product is 10,000 Naira. So you want to know how much that particular product costs in Ghana Cedis before you buy that product from your supplier. It's very important for you to be able to convert and know actually what you are going to do. Okay, so usually there are agents, okay, which is the third point in which you are able to change your Naira into Cedis. There are agents in Ghana. If you are dealing into mini importation, of course you should know one or two of these agents that are able to convert your Ghana Cedis into Naira to your suppliers. Okay, they'll be able to change it for you. They'll tell you how much 10,000 Naira costs in Ghana Cedis, so you make the payments to them and they'll convert it and send that 10,000 Naira to your supplier for you on your behalf. Okay, yes, so those are agents that are actually around us in Ghana. Here in Tamale we have agents, in Accra, in Kumasi we have those agents. It's not proper for me to put their numbers or links on a public space like this, but you can as well see me, or you can as well chat me or contact me if you need that particular agent. And it's very important because it's online. You have to know, you have to be careful of scams and all that. This is not a financial advice, but it's just a tutorial that I want to share with people that import from Nigeria to Ghana, and it's very simple. So okay, let's go into the calculations. So usually there are rates that this exchange agent always supply, okay, and you can have like 3 agents that you are monitoring their platform to see who has the lowest rate. I'm sure it is black market, and of course you have to get the particular agent that has the lower rate for you to be able to maximize profit when you are buying your item. Okay, today's rate is actually 10.7, and what that means is that 1,000 Naira is equal to 10.7. That means 10 Ghana Cedis, 70 pesos. So let's say a product from your supplier costs 10,000 Naira. Okay, so you're going to be multiplying 10. You're going to let this 0 cancel this 0. You're going to be multiplying 10 by 10.7. Okay, you're going to be multiplying this 10 by 10.7. So let's use our calculator and see how much you are going to be getting. Okay, so if you multiply 10 by 10.7, you should get 107 Ghana Cedis, GH. okay, you are going to get 107 Ghana Cedis, and that is how much the supplier is charging for that particular product in Ghana Cedis. Okay, that particular 10,000 Naira is equivalent to 107 Ghana Cedis based on that particular day's rates. Okay, so yes, so let's say that you're supposed to pay a total amount of 320k or 320,000 Naira to your supplier. Maybe you've ordered some goods and the whole amount of the goods sum up to 320,000 Naira. Let's say 320,000 Naira, just like this. 320,000 Naira. Okay, and you're going to pay 320k Naira to your supplier. So actually what you need to do is to contact your agents, you contact your converter or your exchanger, and then find out the rates of that particular day. Okay, maybe sometimes the rate can go as low as 9.3. okay, the rate can go as low as 9.3, sometimes even 8.3. like that is just the rate. Okay, this is not the fixed rate. The rate, as we always say, that we get from the converters or the agents or the exchanges, is not fixed. Every day comes with the rate. Okay, but sometimes a particular rate can stay for like 2 days or 3 days, or maybe for a period of time before there is a change. All depends on the dollar rates. Okay, our current and exchange rate all depends on the dollar rates. Okay, so let's say the rate for that particular day is 9.3, and also you are going to pay an amount of 320,000 Naira to your supplier. It means 1,000 Naira is equivalent to 9.3 Ghana Cedis. Okay, so these zeros are actually going to cancel these zeros, and you're going to have 320 multiplied by 9.3, and you should use your calculator and get the total amount of money that you are going to pay to your supplier based on the rate of 9.3. okay, so the total amount that is equivalent to 320k or 320,000 Naira with the rate of 9.3 is equivalent to 2,976 Ghana Cedis. Okay, I don't know if you are seeing this, but this is just a short way in which you can actually calculate Naira into Cedis, okay, before you are able to buy your products from your supplier in Nigeria. Mini importation is actually very interesting, and even though there's a little risk in it, every importation has risk in it, every business has risk in it. And of course, if you put up the energy, if you are willing to learn a few things, you are able to make some particular impact in your life through mini importation. This is just a short video to show you or tell you how to convert Naira into Cedis. And this is also just to encourage mini importers or people who are willing to import from Nigeria to Ghana, how to convert the Naira into Cedis. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. This is just a short video. If you are interested in business ideas and businesses and importation, everything business and how to make money in Ghana, please, this channel is for you. Please subscribe and then give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.